Welcome. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this watch. So if you want to change these straps on your watch, you need to grab it and flip it around. And of course, first you will need to remove the old straps. And to do it, if you go to the side of the watch, I don't know if you can see it because of the light, but basically next to the strap you have this button right here on one side and the other side. And to take off the strap, you need to press on this button. Once you press on it, right here, you should be able to slide out the strap to the side like this, with basically this motion. You slide it out this way, towards the button basically. So we have another button right here. You press on it and slide out the strap. Quite simple, though I don't like this system, or rather, like is a strong word. It's a good system, it works, but it's proprietary. So if you want to have a strap for this watch, you will need to buy it straight from Google, which is kinda annoying in my opinion, but it is what it is. Okay. And let's say you get your new straps and you want to put them on. You take a strap and you have those grooves right here on the watch and you insert the strap like this and then slide it in to the side. It's simple, like I said before. It works very well, though it's proprietary, so it's a bit not nice. Let's call it like that. Okay, and like this. Quite simple, and it works well. Okay. And that's how you change these straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.